Hey everybody, Aaron here, Martin Exotics. Got a brand new setup. It's got a light that is currently blinding me right now. That's okay. I don't need to see anyways. You guys are the ones that need to see me. So, it is what it is. I'm going to be blind this entire time. It's also got a microphone on it, which is rocking. Picked it up at Walmart for like 25 bucks. Holds the phone, a lot better quality I think, as far as getting the video quality down, not necessarily the sound. I do apologize for the space heater that's going. Got it keeping the room temp right now. Looks like the room temperature is 79 with 35% humidity. It's decent, I don't prefer it. I know the snakes do, they prefer it. I don't. I like the cold. I heard some rustling going around. So anyways, I'm going to try to make more videos, more content for you guys, animal related, show off some different snakes. I've got one female right now that I will be showing you guys. My spider girl. She is going into her prelay shed, which is awesome. She had ovulated, and I figured it was the ovulation, but I never actually caught it before. So apparently I was right, and now she has moved all the bedding from the back of the tub. She's nesting and shoving. So she'll get a second clutch of eggs here in the coming weeks. Hopefully. I know the pastel girl spit out 7 slugs. Definitely was not intending on that happening this year, but first time breeder, first clutch, figured something was gonna mess up, and it did. So send positive vibes my way, or her way, as we explore getting another clutch of eggs. I paired her with a banana. My banana is slowly getting more paradoxing. I know it's not something that you can breed. Paradoxing just happens. But how cool would that be if some of the babies also had paradoxing on them? It'd be pretty neat. So, hoping for a good clutch of eggs, and we got two more girls, my Kingpin and my Super Pastel, that should be following in line after her, Lord willing. The Kingpin actually was paired with a Cinnamon Lesser, so shooting for some lesser bells, hoping for some lesser bells. That would be freaking rocking. That's pretty much all I've got. I just wanted to show off the new setup. Obviously things have changed a little bit since last time I posted, which has been a crap time. Yeah, it's been a long time. So running with ARS racks now, love them. Shout out to the guys at ARS, Jason, Justin, for getting my orders to me quickly. They actually are right down the road, so kind of makes it convenient. I don't have to pay for shipping, and I can go pick it up. So pretty cool. They're very timely in getting me my stuff. Pretty much as soon as I order, if it's in stock, I'm able to go get it. So love those guys. Huge shout out to them. Huge shout out to all of you guys viewing the video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Hit that notification icon, that little bell. Hit that so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next one.